I'm sorry that it like the last video was today, but the camera just died on us. But we had it charged and now it's good. So we left off when in the slime with like a lot of bubbles, I think. No, like this. So it has a lot of that. And then you just wanna grab some
Paper towels.
And then just grab a little bit, then just fold them. That's what I do. I don't know why. Into little pieces. Like this much. And now you just put it here and then you scrub. And then like you just wet this
And some water.
And this soap with water. Then you just squirt the water. You just squirt a little bit. Okay, sorry. And then you just like scrub more.